Now that we've set up the database, let me first describe the upserting flow. From the left, we have access to the Google Drive. We'll store the HR policy text file in our Google Drive as the source of the document we want to chat with. Once the file is loaded, we'll go through the process of splitting the document and chunking it, and then going through an embedding process to create vectors for each chunk that we associate with the text. Let's go ahead and build this flow. Okay, so let's start the build. I'll first start with the manual trigger, and then I'll connect that to my Google Drive. Inside there, I'm just going to use the download file option. I've already set up my credentials from the previous tutorial, and then I'm going to find my file, HR policies handbook text file, and then I'm going to now add in the flow to connect to the vector store. So I'll use my Qdrant vector store here. I'm going to ask it to insert the documents, and then I'm going to give it a name. In this case, I'm just going to say HR policy. I'm going to add in the embedding type that I'm going to use is OpenAI one. So I have already my account set up there. And then the document, I'm going to use a default data loader, and it's going to be of type binary, and it will be of text format. And I'll connect it. And then I'm going to use a text splitter that is a recursive characters text splitter. And I'm going to choose a bigger size because the larger chunk size tends to have slightly better performance. So I'll do that, and I'll just choose slight overlap so that you can have a little bit more context. And then let's go ahead and save this as my upserting flow. And let's go ahead and let's go ahead and execute it. All right, so it's going to get the file, and then it's going to upload to my Qdrant vector store. All right, so now my Qdrant vector store already now has the vectors that I need to query.